So the first up is the intimate dinner where you'd have kind of your best friends over. You haven't seen them in a while, and you want to kind of show off, but you don't want to work too hard.
Right, because we're at the pool. Right.
That's how you describe this. So,
you know, with the rain this year, I take every minute I can to be at the pool. And this is so easy. You could actually do this up to the day before.
Oh, so you
this
can
part.
All this ahead.
Yes. I mean, if you want to, it actually is no problem. You just stick it in the fridge, and when you're ready to grill, you put them on. It's so simple.
Pre-prep.
This is a lamb kebab, and we're going to do it the traditional way. A lot of people think kebabs are pieces of chunks of meat. Well, in the Middle East, they use ground lamb and just put it on the skewer, and it's kind of hand formed, which is, you know, it's easy and easy to turn and get done. But I have cut this down to so few ingredients that,
off we go.
I mean, it's so easy.
So what else goes in with the lamb?
So we're going to mix just some salt and pepper. And I buy this feta cheese that already has herbs in it.
Nicely crumbled, yep.
Yeah, so you're really cheating the whole thing.
Oh, so it's flavored feta.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to add oregano and do all that, why? You can buy this.
There you go.
You know, $3.99 at the grocery store. So basically, I just open the lamb. If there's, you know, any juice in it, I like to thaw that. I mean, you know, throw that out. But this looks good.
What's nice is these weren't frozen, which is really nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you can use, you know, any kind. This natural kind's even better. And usually a pound will get you, okay, usually a pound will get you at least 3 kebabs, at least in big ones. But if you're doing it, say, as an appetizer instead of a meal, or you just want people to have small ones, you can make 6.
So you'll get 3 kebabs out of one of these packages.
Oh, yeah, so about a pound. And
these are about 9.
And these are, let's see.
Right at a pound.
Right a pound, so we'll get plenty. So I may not need, you know, that last one. I'll save that for later when you're gone. So basically, I just break up the meat. And this is 2 pounds. And this, it usually comes in like 5-ounce packs. But roughly 1 container.
Okay.
Y'all, that's it. And I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper. Now, feta cheese, depending on the brand, can be a little salty. You can taste it first. I'm familiar with this brand. So I'm just going to add a little salt and pepper. If you want to do that, I got salt and I got pepper. You can be in charge of salt and pepper since my hands are dirty.
Beautiful. Happy to do it.
And as soon as you put that in there, we're done. Yeah, okay. So after you add the salt and pepper.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
I think I could do this.
So what the fat in the lamb.
How many do you need here?
Well, this is kosher salt, which is what I prefer.
Okay.
Nope, I think we're good. Because remember, the feta is salty. And then put a lot of that because I like it spicy.
Okay.
So guess what? We're almost done.
Okay, this is my kind of prep. Okay, you want to give me a flip?
A flip. It's almost like making a meatloaf.
Okay.
All right, you're cool.
Really?
All
right.
That's it. We're ready to go.
Okay.
So I'm gonna move my yogurt out of the way because we're gonna make tzatziki while these sit. And again, like I said, you can do this a day ahead. You might could do it more, but I usually don't like to leave ground meat in the refrigerator that long. Now go ahead and smell it and see what you think. I mean, it already smells good.
Oh, yes.
How many ingredients do we have? We don't count salt and pepper. We have 2.
2, okay.
Hard. Yes. So all we're gonna do is we've soaked our skewers. And you could even do this overnight too. It's really important to soak the skewers because they catch fire.
Right.
Remember, lamb has fat too, so. You're just basically going to form it almost like a hot dog on here, y'all. Free form it. That's it. If you want to roll it out, if you want to do this, if you're just, you know, ridiculous about it, you just roll it the size that you want.
Nice. Okay.
And then you just stick your skewer through it. And that's it.
Very nice.
And when they
now, do you put it in the fridge to firm it up or anything, or?
Normally.
Okay.
And, you know, I got a fridge out there by the grill, as I showed you. But that is all you do. That's it. So we're going to make a few of these.
Okay.
Put them in the fridge, and while they're chilling, we can light our grill. And we're going to make our tzatziki sauce, and we're going to make a Greek salad because this is like a 10-minute cook. This is a hot and fast cook.
I love that.
Yeah.
All right. Well, the lamb kebabs couldn't have been easier.
I know.
The tzatziki sauce is new to me, so I'm anxious to hear what you're up
there. Well, tzatziki sauce is a Greek sauce that, you know, has cucumber and dill and yogurt. It's very simple. So you can do it in a regular blender. I like my little bullet style blender. Basically, all the ingredients go in. You go real quick for like 30 seconds and it's done.
Beautiful.
And then I'll give some substitutions because I prefer rice vinegar, but you can use another kind of vinegar. I even often use the juice out of these pickled Greek peppers because it gives it a little kick.
Yeah, my wife's going to see this and say, "You're doing this."
Yeah. Oh, does she? And this doubles as a sauce for the kebabs and the Greek salad that we're going to serve on top of it. So you're really just done.
So it's the salad dressing as well as the sauce.
You just drizzle it all over. But I'm making about a little over 2 cups of it because people always want extra.
Got it.
And I put everything right in my bullet. Sure. Everything.
Sure.
So I like to peel. This is one of those English cucumbers. I do this to cheat because you don't have to take the seeds out. You know, regular cucumbers, which I grow in my garden. I'm just trying to, make it easy. And they sell these in every grocery store. I mean, even out here where I live in the boonies, I can get them. So I'll just cut about 1 English cucumber into pieces. Put it in the bullet. Whoop.
Beautiful.
That's it. Whoop, we lost one. All right, that's it. He might. So this is kind of a big clove of garlic, which I also grow in my garden. It's a little too big. It might be a little too garlicky. So I'm just going to put half of that, but it's usually 1 clove of garlic. Usually enough. Yep. But I grew this, and you never know how big. Put it in there. And I think I was telling you, I usually use fresh dill, but I had a little garden incident with some pests, so we're going to use...
Pesky caterpillars.
We're going to use the dried. I know, the season everywhere. Well, so I'm putting about... That's a half teaspoon, right? Okay. That's it. I prefer fresh, though, but, you know, things happen, y'all. And then there's 2 things that you can do. Rice vinegar, I love, and I often will use this. But since I've got Greek peppers, I like a little kick. So for my liquid, I'm going to put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of that in there. That's it. And then I've got some full-fat Greek yogurt, roughly about 2 cups, roughly. And we're just going to put that in there too.
Perfect.
Yep.
Just
and then
enough room for a little slosh.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. So we're done. Except for, since you're my salt and pepper guy.
Oh, okay. Salt and pepper.
Yep.
Salt and pepper.
So just a big pinch of salt.
Okay.
Because, you know, cucumbers always need salt.
Ah.
Yeah, so a big pinch.
Big enough?
Yeah, I think it's probably good. We can always taste it. We're going to do a taste test.
Oh.
And then a bunch of pepper, or if you don't like pepper, you can even leave this out.
Lay it on.
There you go. When?
Okay.
All right. Put the lid on. It's going to get loud. Ready? It's done. Now we can taste it for salt and pepper, but it's done. So.
And this
let's
can
get
sit
you a
overnight
spoon.
For sure, right?
Oh yeah, you'll need to shake it. And
I'm
some.
just gonna go right there.
Okay, I want to taste it. So does it need salt or pepper?
I don't think so.
Think it's good?
It's good.
Yeah, and you like if you don't want any heat, just put this in. I think fresh dill is always better, but you know it is what it is. And then I just put that in the fridge.
Right there, you go.
Just like that. So we're done.
Okay.
Was that easy enough for you? All right. Was that easy enough for you?
Yes, that's fit the criteria. Not too many ingredients, not too much work, but you hit the elegant right on the head.
So I like to use hearts of romaine. You know, iceberg is traditionally used in Greek salads, but I just like this better. So whatever you have. You can even, if you want a bag salad, buy a bag salad. But what's so good about hearts of romaine, they're already cleaned. And when you cut them, you don't have, I mean, it's like so easy. So, I mean, it's like, I go to give it an extra cut. I do this to collard greens too, this way. Basically, you just cut it. If there's anything, of course, that, you know, looks brown or anything. But these are, hearts of romaine are always washed.
That's gorgeous.
That's it. Oh, my dog heard me cut lettuce.
Your compost box. She likes lettuce?
Yeah.
You're a healthy dog.
Yeah. Here, Cody. Ready? Yep. There you go. He likes lettuce.
Again, you talk about cheating. This is cheating. Instant, quick smoke, cold meat takes smoke beautifully. You don't need a lot of smoke. I got to give Meathead the credit. He calls this close proximity smoking.
Okay.
He would.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, he's got those big words.
He can go into that stuff.
Yeah.
Let's take a peek here. I just want to see with it. If you lift, I'm just going to see.
And you know, I'm not used to. Okay.
Oops, no,
there you go.
There we go.
Usually I just do them one time.
Now I'm going to flip it with the tool because
I would.
a little weak.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like that.
And I don't, you know, what I do is, yeah, I do it both one way and then the other, and then the meat is seized enough for you to roll it around.
Yeah, now we'll be able to roll once we do this. But I'm going to get under here. That's the nice thing about the tool. If you've got a little thickage, you can lift it up. This guy's being a little stubborn, but I'm going to get him.
Yeah.
A little bit.
I mean, look at those grill marks too. It's all right. And then I love that you can hear it dripping onto the grill grates and spreading out, and that's adding flavor. That's what a lot of people don't realize where the flavor comes from to me with grill grates, that it distributes the fat and then sends it back up. This is ready, y'all.
Yeah, these are all ready too.
So while the meat rests, I'm going to throw the pita on.
Sure.
And I'm going to assemble the salad.
Okay.
Is that all right? You too hot? Now this, I've got it oiled up with a little bit of olive oil. So just flip them. You know, I like grill marks on everything like you.
Okay.
So this is a Greek salad, simple, y'all. We're going to use that tzatziki dressing all over the top. And I actually like to lay some kebabs over this because I love that meat juice to go into the salad.
Wow. Okay.
So I've got, you know, you can put whatever you want. I grow a lot of this, you know, bell peppers and all that. So we're just going to put them all in here. I love, and you know, people eat with their eyes when they're hanging at the pool, right? And I'm just going to put a little on here because I like it. Hit it with some feta.
Okay, cross all.
Hit it all. Just hit it all.
Gosh.
Yeah. And I'm going to get some plates.
Oh, look at this. Tina, this is amazing. What a great recipe, though, for an intimate dinner party. You're getting back together with your best friends. You haven't grilled for them in a while. Grill this.
Yeah.
You can grill this.
You know, if it's left over, if there's any left over, I eat those kebabs cold.
I thought you were going to say you eat the skewers. I mean, those baby, this is a beautiful presentation.
Thank you.
You put that in front of me, I'm going to think that you put in a whole lot of work.
And we didn't.
You didn't. Shh. Fabulous.
Let's go get some plates.
Yes, please.